Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito for mobile apps. To get started with authenticating your mobile app using AWS Cognito and Glide, first, open your Glide app. Navigate to the Glide dashboard and select your project. In the project settings, go to the API section. Here, you will need to enable the API access. Next, go to your AWS Management Console and log into your account. Once logged in, search for Cognito in the Services menu. Click on Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Select Create a User Pool to start the process. Enter a name for your user pool and click Review Defaults. Configure the settings according to your app requirements, then click Create Pool. Now, go to the App Clients section within your user pool. Click on Add an App Client to create a new app client for your mobile app. Uncheck the option for generating a client secret, then click Create App Client. Take note of the App Client ID, as you will need it later. Next, go to the Federation section and set up the identity providers if needed. In the App Client settings, enable the Cognito user pool and configure the OAuth 2.0 settings. Define the callback URLs that will be used in your mobile app. Once done, click Save Changes to apply your settings. Return to the Glide app and open the Data tab. Here, set up a new table for users that will be created after authentication. Now, move over to the empty row and insert a sign-in button. Link this button to the AWS Cognito authentication flow. Use the Cognito API for authentication by specifying the user details. In the app, create screens to display user information upon successful authentication. You should implement error handling for authentication failures to inform users appropriately. Once you have completed these steps, test the authentication flow on your mobile app. Make sure users can successfully sign in and access their data. Review the overall setup to ensure all configurations are correct. With everything in place, your app should now be set up for authentication with AWS Cognito using Glide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.